Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install the ANSYS 2026 R1 student version completely free for engineering students and beginners. Whether you are learning finite element analysis, CFD, structural simulation, thermal analysis, or mechanical design, ANSYS Student is one of the best free engineering simulation tools available. Let's get started. Step 1. Open official ANSYS website. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of ANSYS. The student version usually includes ANSYS Mechanical, Fluent, SpaceClaim, Meshing, Discovery, and several simulation tools. Before downloading, check the minimum system requirements. Recommended: check your device specifications. Windows 10 or Windows 11, 64-bit. At least 8 GB RAM. Intel i5 or Ryzen 5 processor. SSD storage recommended. Stable internet connection. Then click Download ANSYS Student 2026 R1. Step 2. Extract downloaded files. Right-click the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. You can use Windows Extract Tool or WinRAR. Wait until extraction finishes completely. This may take several minutes. Step 3. Install ANSYS 2026 R1. Open the extracted folder. Find and run setup.exe. Right-click and choose Run as administrator. Now the ANSYS installer window will open. Accept the license agreement. By checking the box of I agree to the terms of the license agreement, including to the extent applicable, the cross-border transfer of data and collection of geographic location data under Section 14. His process may take 20 to 60 minutes depending on your computer performance. During installation, do not shut down your PC. Do not disconnect power. Close unnecessary applications. Step 4. Finish installation. Once installation finishes, click Exit. Now open the Windows Start menu and search for ANSYS Workbench 2026 R1. Opened successfully. Congratulations. Enjoy.